Hi guys, I'm AKJMF. As I promised you guys, like I'm going to change my handle doors because they were messed up. They are very messed up. Like the light rings that I've changed so far. Today's video, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to remove both. This is the passenger door. I'm going to change the door handle over here, and other side. On this small table, I do have the new ones, the new door handles that I'm going to show you. I'm going to unbox it. This is how it is. This is the new handle, like where you hold to open the door. Then you have this plastic. This is the cover, the lock cover over here. Pretty nice, like well sprayed, not like I sprayed my light rings last time. Then you have these two rubber thing over here. I'll go, I think, underneath both the handles and the lock cover, like this small one, these two rubber over here. There's the other one also, the calming pair. It's how it is. Pretty nice. The two rubbers, I'll go underneath right here. Then I think this one, let's try to open it and see, maybe it's different. This one something different, like inside, like this one have I think this one is somehow slightly different. I don't know if the passenger side or the driver side, but this one is slightly different from the other one. Now I think we move closer to the door and start to remove the old ones, the old messy ones, and fix these new ones over there. Where you open the door, we are at the passenger side. Door open right here at the top, like with your pulling tool like this, something that have a point. It doesn't have to be like curved like this one, but anything where I pointed have a point like this, something to pull. You just this is a top, this plastic small top over here. Remove it. There is a hole behind it. Like I'm having it in my hands, as you can see, just come off. Then with the T20 I'm having in my hands, there's some kind of like a bolt inside, a bolt, like when now you have to unscrew it. When you unscrew it, it kind of make the handle this side where the lock is, the lock cover is, make it come off just like this. Like by holding it slightly with your hands, you can feel holding the by holding the lock over here with your hands, you can feel like it's coming off with one hand. Once you unscrew it, you can feel that it's coming off. When it doesn't turn anymore, means like you have to concentrate over here on the handle cover and remove it. So you close it like this. Close the door like this. Then with something similar to this, like a plastic. I'm using plastic to not kind of scratch the car's body. Just pull it towards you. You see it's coming off. Voila. Put it aside. After that, in order to pull the handle, the door handle away, to remove it definitely from the door, with a screwdriver like this, you remember where you, with a T20, you unscrew, you put the, you have to put just on top of that that little screw, just over the on top of the where you unscrew with a T20, you put the screwdriver on top, then you push it inside. You have to push it. There is a plastic thing over there. You push it inside, and whilst you are doing that with one hand, you push, you hold, you hold the handle, door handle. You pull, and you push it towards you. Right now I'm putting the screwdriver inside the hole. The screwdriver is inside the hole where we unscrew with a T20. Then with one hand, I try to remove the door handle. So I'm trying to put it up. Then the door handle comes up. This is how it is. Have this plastic thing underneath over here. We do have this one also, the old. Have a new one, so we have to take the old one away. I think with a rag and with some water, we are going to give it a clean. Take this plastic thing that comes with a handle, the door handle, and you put it at the big one. This one's the big one. This the big one over here, and you place it right where you took the lock from. Put it like in a way that it will fit right, like put it over there like this, fit and sit right where you took the handle door lock from. Put it over there. Then you take the door handle, the new one like this. Then you put this plastic, small plastic that came with it. You put it like it have this small notch over here. I don't know if you can see, it's a pointed thing over here. Yeah. You have to put this plastic thing on top, like over here. You have to put it on top of the handle in a way that the notch will go inside, will come and fit inside the handle, the door handle. So while it sits there, it doesn't move. See, doesn't move anymore. Then you try to put it on the door, try to make it fit inside the door, just like you took the old one. You took the old one, you place it the same way, but you do it like in a it doesn't go the whole straight, like you have to like kind of put it straight in. By pushing it in front, like pushing it forward, it just goes it goes inside by itself. Now I'm having the lock, the back side in my hands, the lock side in my hands, and I'm just going to place it where I took the old one. I'm going to place it just over here. Very simple. Then with my with a T20, we are going to like unlock here. You can see the hole inside the hole very well. Might need a torch. Where this how to install the door's handles. I think with the passenger side we are done. We are going to move to the driver side. Where guys, as you can see, we are the driver side and we are about to do the same thing as we did at the passenger side. So open the door like this, then we put it the pull tool, remove the top over here. The top is removed. Then with our T20 over here, put it inside the hole. You unscrew here till like we feel that this at the finish point, like doesn't turn anymore somehow. No, it doesn't turn anymore. Then with our pulling tool, we just pull it somehow a bit. When it doesn't come off anymore, I use this plastic thing over here, this plastic tool. I have more leverage with it to pull the lock away, and it doesn't scratch the car. It's plastic. It comes up pretty decent. I broke in it. I don't know why. It just broke. It's supposed to come off like without it broke. It's coming with a screwdriver, fast screwdriver. There we are. The lock is up. Put the whole lock assemble off. Then we put the screwdriver. I'm not using a flat screwdriver, but it's the same procedure like we did it on the passenger's door. Put it on. Thing for the driver's side is off. That we have it in our hands. Put it aside. Remove this old plastic tin over here. Put that one or two aside. Give it a clean. Same thing over here. The new plastic tin, the big one. Just put it in the wheel. Get fit right on top of the hole where the lock will go. Now I take my the plastic tin over here. I put it on top of the handle door, the new handle door. The wheel goes and sit right where I want it, right where it has to be. Sit at the bottom here. Then I put it right here. Then you align it with the door. Then you push, boom, straight. Then you take your lock over here. And you put it right where you took it, right in the hole. I think it goes somehow like this. Well guys, as you can see, the driver side too, we are done with it. As you can see, you learn something from it, how to like change the door handles. This is how it is. to change both the doors. See you next time, guys. If you appreciate the video, don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe to see more content. See you next time. Bye.